The Andromeda Galaxy, Messier 31 or M31, is the Milky Way's closest large galactic neighbor, located approximately 2.5 million light-years away. This stunning spiral galaxy is a treasure trove of astronomical insights, with a diameter of about 152,000 light-years and a mass roughly equivalent to the Milky Way. Here's an overview of what we know about Andromeda, along with recent discoveries shaping our understanding of this cosmic giant. Andromeda is a barred spiral galaxy with well-defined spiral arms filled with gas, dust, and young stars. These regions include active star-forming nurseries, revealed through detailed Hubble Space Telescope observations. At its core lies a supermassive black hole with a mass millions of times that of our Sun. Its influence shapes the dynamics of the galaxy's central regions. Andromeda boasts a diverse array of stars, including old, metal-poor populations in its halo and younger, metal-rich stars in its disk. These features provide clues to its formation history. Scientists have identified planets orbiting stars in Andromeda, expanding the potential for studying planetary systems outside the Milky Way. These discoveries hint at the possibility of habitable worlds in Andromeda's vast expanse. Recent studies have explored Andromeda's star-forming regions, revealing the intricate processes that govern stellar births. Observations of ionized hydrogen gas in its spiral arms showcase the galaxy's vibrant stellar nurseries. New evidence suggests the outer halos of gas surrounding Andromeda and the Milky Way, known as circumgalactic mediums, CGMs, are already interacting. This subtle interaction precedes the predicted physical collision between the galaxies in about 4 billion years. This overlap influences gas dynamics, potentially affecting star formation in both galaxies. Scientists have made significant progress in mapping Andromeda's magnetic fields, which play a crucial role in regulating interstellar matter and star formation. Recent Hubble images reveal intricate details of Andromeda's spiral arms and star-forming regions, described as star-studded gardens of ionized gas glowing in vivid red hues. These images provide a more comprehensive view of its stellar composition and evolution. While Andromeda and the Milky Way are expected to merge in billions of years, newer models suggest the dynamics might not result in a straightforward collision. The interaction could be less catastrophic than previously thought. Studying Andromeda helps astronomers understand fundamental processes of galaxy formation, evolution, and interaction. Its relative proximity makes it a prime candidate for exploring galactic dynamics and phenomena on a large scale. Research into its circumgalactic medium and stellar populations also provides insights into how galaxies evolve over time. With advanced telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, complementing Hubble's legacy, Andromeda will remain a focal point of cosmic research. Ongoing studies of its stars, exoplanets, and magnetic environment promise to uncover more about the universe's mysteries.